In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Forex sessions indicator on TradingView, which is a crucial tool for every Forex trader who wants to maximize their trading efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey in the Forex market, setting up the right indicators can make a world of difference. So let's dive in and make sure your TradingView setup is optimized for success. To kick things off, you'll want to open up TradingView. If you haven't already signed up, head over to TradingView's website and set up an account. Once you're logged in, bring up any Forex chart. For instance, you might choose a popular currency pair like EUR/USD. This pair is one of the most traded in the world, and using it as your base chart is a solid choice for spotting market trends and opportunities. Once you're on the chart, direct your attention to the top menu bar, where you'll see an Indicators button. Clicking this will open up a whole world of possibilities. Indicators are like the secret sauce for traders, offering insights and highlighting patterns that might not be immediately visible. Now in the search bar that appears, we're going to type Forex sessions. Indicators like these are designed to show you the active trading sessions, such as the Tokyo, London, and New York sessions, giving you a clearer picture of when markets are most active. You can explore other variations by typing Session Highlighter or Market Sessions. Each of these has its unique features, but they all aim to enhance your trading charts by spotlighting the trading sessions that can influence volatility and liquidity significantly. Browse through the options presented and click on the one that best suits your trading style. TradingView often offers community-generated indicators with different settings, so don't hesitate to read through descriptions or reviews if you're unsure. Once you click on an indicator, it will automatically appear on your chart. It's really that simple. The indicator will start to overlay information directly on the chart, showing you when each Forex session opens and closes. This setup allows you to identify potential high-activity periods and align your strategies accordingly, leveraging time zones and session overlaps to your advantage. Adjust the settings if necessary so that it integrates smoothly with your overall chart layout. Often indicators come with customizable options, such as colors and session times, to fit your personal preferences or specific trading needs. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your TradingView charts with the Forex Sessions indicator. This tool can help you stay ahead in your trading strategy by providing valuable insights into market dynamics. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, the key to successful trading lies in having the right